Hey guys, I'm back. Today we're starting a brand new series. Here we have bricks. We're gonna put bricks on the side and both sides. And this one is very challenging, guy. You don't want to see the foundation ledge that the concrete guy did here. The work that the concrete guy did here with the foundation. I want to give you a walkthrough, show you what it's like, and show you what we have to deal with and what we're planning to do in order to fix the situation before we can go ahead and start to lay some bricks. Let's dive right into it. Let me take you around, show you the job, show you what we're about to do, show you the plan that we had in order to fix the problem before we can go ahead and start to lay some bricks. So the front of the house here, they're gonna go with stucco. We're gonna start from this side over here. You can even see from the front here. I don't know, man. If you're watching this guy who did the concrete, come on, man, do better job, bro. Can't leave people job like this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at it even here. So the plan is here is to step back 2 feet from the corner, which is gonna be around here. Go all the way up to the top. We're gonna put brick from here, going back that way. If you look close to the ledge, I just see here you have around 2 inches step down, here 1 inch, just like you see coming along. If you come right through, look even here. There's no way we can lay bricks on this. So my plan is to get my laser. I have my laser over there. We're gonna string up our laser right here and we're gonna mark it off. And after we mark it off, we're gonna cut into it and we're gonna chisel down with our jackhammer. That way we can get a nice level surface. But before we do that, we have to take some measurement from the top of our window here. So that way we can cut down. So once we can work right up here, 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch above the window. So that way we can go right across without have to do any form of cut here. Let me continue around and show you what it's like. But guys, this is far the terriblest foundation ledge I ever lay a brick on. I've built hundreds of houses. So if you're watching this, whosoever you be who did this work here, come on, man, do better. Do better so that way the bricklayer or the mason come out, they don't have to deal with this crap here. Okay? And you're only ruining your career as well. Tarnish your career. As you see here, we still have to cut. Here is the same thing. Down here is the same thing. Look at even here. Look how terrible this is. Look at this, guys. So as you even come around, you see it's the same thing. But at the back, so the entire back, he's not sure bricks are. You want to go with stucco. I was suggesting to him to at least bring the bricks from the side, come all the way around, so that way he can tie both sides together and at least stop it in the middle there, so that you can tie it properly, so that both sides hold together like this. He's saying he don't want it that way, so we're gonna talk this morning. We're gonna have a meeting this morning again, so that way we can come to final decision. And my plan is to record the whole thing. That way, if there's anything were to happen in the future. Because for me, I think, personally, to have a wall like this much long, from here, go all the way down there, and as you see, it's pretty high as well. I think you should at least connect both sides together rather than to step back. Because this plan is to step back from this corner 2 feet over here and also do the same at the front there. So my suggestion is to bring this wall right around there, bring that one right around here. And if you don't want to have the entire back with bricks, join it right in the middle so that way both sides can tie together. Now enough of that said, let's take you over this side and show you what it's like. It's only getting crazier, guys. Now look at this. Look how terrible this is. Look, this wall connects straight like this, and then you have it just gone in like that. How the heck you gonna lay bricks on this? So my plan is to maybe try and cut off a little bit of this concrete here. After, I'm probably gonna strap a piece of 2x4 or 2x6 on here, and then come over a little bit with my bricks, and then maybe make a step, one step in, and then make another step to connect back this wall here. And then afterward, they can maybe parge underneath the bottom here. There's no other way I see how I could do this. If you guys have another way how you would do it, I know lots of you guys who are watching my video are contractor like myself. So leave a comment down in the bottom. Let me hear from you. What would you do here? You know what I mean? To fix this problem. And would you take this job? Because the way it is, I know a lot of contractors would come out here and look at it and walk away. And I could do that. But a lot of these people are my YouTuber like you who are watching. You know what I mean? And I'm trying my best to help as much as I can. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. We're going to start by try to prepare in the concrete ledge. And afterwards, we're going to jump right into the video and start to lay some bricks. So we're going to continue around just so that I can show you the entire thing. So we're going to continue straight through here. I think in this section here going to be stucco because we don't have any ledge. So I think the bricks probably going to finish around here. Bricks probably going to finish around here. Go back over there. And then stucco in the middle there. Even here, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look how this come down, then step down. If you're a bricklayer or a mason and you ever get a job look like this, leave a comment in the bottom. I'd love to hear if you ever get anything looks this terrible before. Okay, guys, I show you around. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Okay, guys, so I have my laser here. You can see the laser line is right there. So right where the line is where we have to cut. So what I did there, I took some measurement from the top of my window, working down. So if I cut right here and work up, we're gonna reach right up to the top of the window here. That way we can put our angle line across without have to do any form of a cutting. So I decided to use my level close up to my laser light. The line of my laser here, I'm just gonna mark it onto the wall. So just in case when I'm doing the cut, the line go in the way. So just gonna go through and mark all of it just like that. You can see them right over here as well. So we'll mark right through now. This is my laser. I have the mark right onto the wall, just in case for any reason it moves. So we finished the cut of our concrete. Now we're gonna get our jackhammer and jackhammer it off.